Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be replacing the battery on my 2003 GMC Sierra. Before we get started, make sure you check out our store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. If you saw the other video where I did the battery load test, where I did the review on that load tester, you know that the battery is actually pretty bad in here. And I didn't even need to use that to know that, because if you fully charge it, it starts one, maybe two times. If you let the truck sit overnight, it's not going to start the next morning. It does need to be recharged every time you want to start it. So I don't use it much, and so it hasn't been a huge priority to replace the battery. But we got some projects we got going on. Need to be able to use this for hauling, and my wife's got the garden that she's going to be starting here, so just need to get things going with the truck so it is a little bit more reliable. So let's go ahead and get started. With the hood up, you can see that it is right there in the front, easy to replace. I do have to remove this little crossbar here. It's actually loose from when the place where I bought it from was trying to get it started, when they determined that it was actually the fuel pump. So they did replace the fuel pump on this. But yeah, this battery is absolute trash. So I'm going to go ahead and there's the ground right there, and there's the positive. So we just need to unbolt those. It's a side post. I don't know why GM likes the side post. I like the top post, but it's just how they do that in their cars. But pretty easy to remove, so go ahead and get started on that. All right, and that is a 5/16. I guess there's probably enough room in here to throw a socket on here. I should have probably done that, but this is fine. Alright, so there's the ground. And we'll take the positive off here. I'm actually going to find a socket to do this when I put the new one back in, because it's kind of ridiculous. Alright, so we'll go ahead and lift the old battery out. And we'll set the new battery in. Alright, then we'll start by connecting the positive cable. Alright, and then with the positive hooked up, next we will reattach the ground. Alright, and then with that, just reconnect that little crossbar. There you go, and then we are done. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start it up. That it fires right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.